Yes. You can start by wiping that fucking dumbass smile off your fucking rosy cheeks. You can give me a fucking automobile, a fucking Datsun, a fucking Toyota, a fucking Mustang, a fucking Buick, 4 fucking wheels in the seat. And I really don't care how your company left me in the middle of fucking nowhere with fucking keys to a fucking car that isn't fucking there. Not just to walk across the fucking highway and across the fucking runway to get back here just to have you smile on my fucking face. I want a fucking car. Right fucking now. I threw it away. Oh dear what?